Hi, my name is Christine Chipman, and I am in the EDS program, which is Educational Specialist in the ITLS department. I live in Smithfield, and one of my hobbies is I like to crochet. I made this. It has little flowers on it because it's a forget-me-not shawl. I had some friends in Connecticut that I gave shawls to, so I don't want to forget them. One of my passions is teaching. I really like teaching. I discovered this way back when I started college. I paid for college by teaching swimming lessons and teaching violin lessons. And then when I got to grad school, I started teaching math and thought that's got to be the best job in the world. I have been teaching online classes pretty much since my community college started doing online classes. And in fact, I'm still teaching for them. And that college is in Arizona, so you can see it's an online class. I'm taking this class because I want to, I always want to be better at teaching, and it is required. Why is it relevant to me? Well, I've been an adjunct for, ever since I graduated, and, I should tell you about graduation. I've graduated from Utah State with 2 master's degrees already. First one's in statistics, and the second one is in instructional technology, back before it was instructional technology and learning sciences. And so they thought I was a great fit for teaching math online, but there is not a lot of professional development out there. And I would really, really like to develop that for other adjuncts. I have taken 3 classes with e-learning. It can be hard. I know that. This is why I make videos for my students, and I have students make videos for me. The one class I'm still trying to finish up had absolutely no contact with the other students in the class, and it was the hardest class I've ever had. So I will also include a picture of myself or crocheting. So hi!